Well, it's been a minute since we've done something like this. But me and Tristan are down at Bothal Woods and we're going to go geocaching. Never done it for a while. And, oh God, this is thin. Yeah. Anywho, let's go see what we can see.
I look down for you in the middle of my pain. I reach down farther, calling out your name.
Well, we have found our first geocache of the day. Unfortunately, the coordinates on this one shows it way over there, and it's not. It's here. I'm not going to show you where, but it's like around here somewhere, off camera. Yeah, I've told the cache owner that it is way out, and so have quite a few other people, but whether he changes or not is another matter. So here we go, on to the next one. Hopefully this one's got better coordinates.
Hold on to you, no matter what comes. No night can last forever, no storm will tear us apart.
Here's something interesting. All these rocks that you see down here covered in green are the remains of an old church. A little chapel that was on the grounds here. And this is an old well. Any trolls in there? Or just the ones that leave comments?
So tired of climbing, heavy with the blame. I heard a voice.
Time for a quick break, because I'm getting tired. On to the next.
It all down, lay it all down, everything.
One thing's for certain though, it is great to be back out again. Not done this for a while, and it's good. Not too cold, it's still cold, but not too cold. I think we're having a little bit of a milder spell before the worst weather comes back again. I hope not.
I will hold on to you, no matter what.
Yay, a nice and easy one. Tristan managed to find this one. Whoop whoop, chicken soup. So that's that one marked off the list. On to the next. Don't you just love it when you're geocaching and the hint is ground level and this is the ground? Yeah.
No matter what comes, I will.
Well, that's annoying. Even though we knew exactly what we were looking for and the general area of where it's meant to be, did not find. Wah, wah, wah. On to the next. Time for a little game. I spy with my little eye something beginning with T. Leave your answer in the comments down below. The next one is way up there, and as you can see with Tristan struggling, he's going to go and get this one. I'm staying down here. Come along, Tristan. Well, that's annoying. That's another DNF. Now, if you're new to geocaching, you have ratings, and the cache owner puts a rating on. So it's a rating of 1 to 5 for difficulty and 1 to 5 for terrain. Now, a terrain of 1.5 is what like this footpath is. Now, this geocache has a terrain of 1.5, yet it's saying it's all the way up there. That's not a 1.5, that's probably a 3.5 to 4. And the geocache, we can't find it anywhere, so I think that the GPS is out slightly. Anywho, on to the next. Unfortunately, it's another failure. Hopefully we get one on the next one.
Make it all worthwhile. It's the second round through a long defile. Here we are, where fire meets the cold. I'll let you leave, but please come back, 'cause I'll miss you the most of all. Behold.
So this cache was called a bench with a view, and I'm sitting on the bench and have a look at the view. Nice. Well, this is getting rather annoying. Another DNF. The cache is supposed to be in that tree, but it's not. That's 3 in a row. This isn't a very good geocaching video. Sorry. We now need to walk along here, around the outside, so we can get on the other side of the river for the return journey. Whoop whoop chicken soup. Yeah, really excited about this walk. There was a choice of 2 paths, and of course we chose the wrong one. Uphill for a very long way, on mud. Well, it looks like we've actually found some civilization and a bit of pavement, because I can hear the cars, which means we're close to the road. The next part of this trail is to cross this bridge over the river and then head. Tristan's on the search. It's somewhere here. Well, we found that last cache, but unfortunately it was in need of maintenance. It was ruined. So I've told the cache owner on to the next one, which means we've got to walk out of the woods and along the road and take a country road back to Bothal. And not sure if you can tell on camera, but it's starting to get dark. Yay! I love winter, me. Not. Okay, I lied. It's not a country road. It's still a footpath through the woods. Ah well. Keep going.
All the love will somehow become your way. All your pain will fade to memory.
Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Yeah. Whew. Not cut out for this. And we've still got to go up that hill. Yay. Well, that's rather annoying. Another DNF. Now, the description of this geocache says there's no need to climb fences. There's a barbed wire fence just where Tristan is, and the coordinates is shown a couple of meters past that barbed wire fence. So we are none the wiser how to get this one. So it's another did not find. This is becoming a bit of a failure, and we're not finding many geocaches today. I really apologize. On to the next. Ooh, what a pretty view. So this has fetched us out into a farmer's field, and as you can see, there's a public footpath that runs right through the middle of the farmer's field, so we are allowed to cross it. But we will also cross a train track. And if you look over this way, you'll see the sun's beginning to set. So hopefully we get back the car before it gets too dark. Please. I think the farmer's field has sprung a leak. Get it? Sprung a leak. Yeah. So we found that one. Time to head out and go try and get the next. I think there's another 4 on this geocaching trail, but we are getting very tired and the temperature's dropping. Yay!
All the love will somehow become your way. All your pain will fade to memory one day.
Found this one. Getting real tired now. This is quickly becoming not fun. Getting cold now. Help. Oh my God. These are the stairs we have to go down. So the hint for this one is under bridge. And as you can see, we've found the bridge and a waterfall. But somewhere down there,
Easy my hunger, easy my head, bringing me fire, bringing me water.
and thankfully Tristan has found it. Sign this one, on to the next. Ah, God, it's getting cold. Well, according to the geocaching app, it's down there, off this cliff. So this is the path that all the signs have told us is a public footpath. Now there was a sign saying there was no public access to the other footpath that's down there. But apparently that's where the geocache is. It says the lower path. And like I say, all of the signs that we've seen said we weren't allowed to go that way. And this was the only way we could go. Yay! Tristan's found this one. Whoop whoop, focus. Whoop whoop, chicken soup. And now, it's just a wander back to the car.
Come to my table, come to my bed, go easy my hunger, easy my head. Oh.
It's so dark. But the car is that way and you can't see it because it's so dark. I've turned the sensitivity of the camera right up so you can see. But there is the car. Yay! Well, now that we're back in the car, time to go home. Never again doing that run. That was way too far. But anywho, shall see you all tomorrow for a less strenuous video. Now it's time to do your job.